안녕하세요 여러분, 진짜 만나서 반갑습니다. It's your favorite Korean twin slash Hallyu creator. So guys, come with us as we volunteer for the KCCN 2024 Hansik cooking contest finale. So the finale held on the 31st of August 2024 at Rock Central Abuja and at Red Dish Chronicles Culinary School. So while the place was being set up, we decided to move around, to see what we could find and content to make before heading back to our workstation. So guys, as you can see, the cooking event was actually being live streamed at the Red Dish Culinary School for us all to see. It was actually a two-in-one kind of event because the first event of the day was the Korean food testing, which started at 2 p.m. on the dot. So guys, this is the Hansik ready-to-eat stand. We have various Korean foods and snacks such as yapgejang, cup ramen, galbitang, yakwa, which is a Korean snack, dakjangjeong, japchae, bulgogi, and kimbap will all be on display. Yay! So my twin and I actually came with an empty tummy because we were looking forward to the food testing, and this is Rizamara saying hello to our camera. So here's my twin and I showing off our cute staff tags, and here's what we had to say.
Life updates about how the competition is going to be going.
So guys, as y'all can see, my twin and I were both stationed at the entrance of the event so as to greet the guests and also get them signed in for the event. So here we're still setting up and making sure everything was good and in place. This is my twinnie and this is me. So some of the contestants who didn't make it to the finale were actually being interviewed, and also they assisted with the cooking and food preparation for the day. So here's Miss Chiamaka looking all cute and getting set for her photo booth. And this is Devishi Annyeong. And this is Kirja, our one and only cultural diplomat. So here the guests were already trooping in and we're getting them signed in for the event, as you can see. So guys, here are our colleagues from work looking all gorgeous, all pretty, very classy, very cutesy and very demure. So they've always wanted to attend the Korean events because some of them are actually big time Korean lovers, so we decided to bring them along. So my twin and I actually decided to try out the Korean magoli, and it wasn't for us at all. So here the foods were already arriving and ready to be devoured, and here's our big pot of soup and another big bowl of tteokbokki and another big bowl of crepes with chicken. Yummy. Guys, Nigerians don't play when it comes to food, trust me. Before we could say jack, half of the food was gone. Like they had already devoured almost everything. We couldn't even get ramen again, so we had to settle for tteokbokki. So sad. So here's my twinnie doing her happy dance because she got to vlog a little. So here they were actually playing a game called Guess the Korean Food Ingredients, whereby a Korean food was being called and they were to guess the ingredients used in preparing the food correctly. Enjoy.
Have yourself a winner. Oh, that Korean costume!
So this group were actually the first to perform for the day, and trust me, they over-delivered. Because tell me why they were so good, so in sync, and they had the whole audience cheering, dancing and screaming their lungs out. And guess what? They were actually dancing to our favorite K-pop group, which is BTS. So enjoy. Guys, this ramen eating competition actually had my twin and I laughing like crazy because we thought Nigerians had a strong threshold for eating peppery stuff, but we could see most of the contestants gasping for air and fighting for their life. But some of them did really good. They finished theirs before time, and they had the audience cheering as well. So a very big and hearty congratulations to the winners of this challenge, because trust me, we can't do this. We can never. So y'all should watch and enjoy the remaining eating competition. So here's a chopstick competition for all our chopstick lovers. So here was the final dance performance for the day. Enjoy! After all said and done, it was time to pick the winners for the Hansik cooking competition, which you'll be seeing in the next slide. So the final 9 contestants competed for the grand prize of ₦1,000,000, 700,000 and 400,000 naira. So here we have it, guys, our winners. So this guy won the sum of 400,000, so he actually got third place, and everyone was so happy, like they saw it coming. And then the second place actually went to this guy. He's actually a very good chef. Like, we were really rooting for him. We were really happy when he won. Congratulations, I've forgotten his name, but we were very happy because he actually deserved it though. He put in the work, he put in the effort. So after giving the third and the second position, it was time to crown our winner.
So the person that won this money really tried. The dish was a little complicated, it was innovative, it was creative. And what do we know? You're going home with a heavy account today. So congratulations to the person that made Twinjang chicken, Patience.
And here we have it, guys, our star chef for the day, Miss Patience. She really did an amazing job with her food. We really enjoyed her food. Congratulations once again, ma'am. Guys, this was so emotional to watch. She actually came with her whole family and they were there to celebrate with her. Some persons were actually tearing, trust me. Some persons were shedding tears of joy on her behalf because they didn't believe it. Congratulations, ma'am.
Well done, Madam Patience. Congratulations, ma'am.
To wrap up the event for the day, all the chefs had a group photo with the director and some of the invited ambassadors and invited guests. As you can see, they were all happy. They all did a good job. They did their best, and also congratulations to the winners, and also congratulations to the chefs who made it to the final round. So guys, that's it for our vlog and experience as volunteers for the 2024 Hansik cooking contest. Kindly stay tuned and updated to this channel for more fun, educative and informative video content about South Korea and Nigeria. Until we come away next time, it's a bye for now. Annyeong!